Hi, my name is Louise Phillips Forbes, and I am so excited to share with you my newest, but my last, home at 498 West End Avenue. 498 West End Avenue stands tall on the corner of 84th and West End Avenue. Architecture of 1910 with a very bold and ornate facade welcomes you into a reimagined lobby created by Setra Ruddy. Nancy Ruddy is known for bringing old world into the new world way of living. Let's see what all we have to offer inside this new home. There are so many things that I love about 4B. 2,136 square feet, 9/7 ceilings, central air, 2 zones, a separation with the living room and the dining to the 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. We are reminded by just one small detail of the old world of parquet, small parquet floors that have been magnified by 30 by 35-inch parquet floors that really define this entertaining space and separate the bedrooms and their ensuite bathrooms. And that, I think, is a wrap, friends. So please don't hesitate to call me. I'm Louise Phillips Forbes, and I'm awaiting for you at 498 West End Avenue, home of 4B.